Hi guys, we're looking at one of the India's most prominent colleges here, which looks like a temple. I was actually feeling like it's a huge temple. So beautiful architecture here, and college contain 9 temples as well, including the tallest temple in India is situated inside the campus, and it's huge at 2,700-acre campus. Imagine I'm Ahmedabad is 100 acre. This is 2,700-acre campus. Any guess which college we're talking about? So those who are from Varanasi, they will know this college. That's your hint. Let's see if you can guess the college. Yep. So you can see the campus here. This is huge. Yeah, it's a semicircular arc-based campus. Yes, we are looking at BHU, Banaras Hindu University. Again, one of the oldest MBA started their residential program in 1958. At that time, all the universities, Mumbai University, Calcutta University, were all day-based colleges. They were not having a residential program. So when BHU started, it had an objective that everyone have to stay on campus. So imagine 35,000 students study in this campus, stay in this campus on a particular day. So that's huge. Yeah, BHU is one of the famous colleges of the country, have the largest campus size, 2,700 acre of campus. Largest residential university in Asia, with main campus is 1,300 and another 1,400 acre in the south campus, total 2,700 acre. So we are looking at the largest campus, total 35,000 students, Bapare, from 34 countries, 3 institutes, 14 faculties, 140 departments. So it's huge. It's huge. Where is the hostel? There are 70 hostels here, or chodo. There are 70 hostels in the campus. Or look at the batch size here. So like a typical government college, the number of seats are very less. So marketing students 96 total, finance 45, HR 6, and operations 8. So number of students are less because it's a government college, a typical FMS. All the colleges call FMS, by the way. Any guess for the college name? So we are looking at FMS BHU. Specialization wise, marketing, 95% people of the agri batch is marketing, 5% have taken HR. And for the MBA and MBA IB, 45% batch finance, 44% marketing, 3% HR, and 8% operations. So admission process, eligibility criteria. So you can apply, any bachelor degree can apply. List of GDPI based on the CAT percentile. CAT score weightage 50%, GDPI 30%, and academic record 20%. Now, for admission criteria, I think 80 percentile should be enough to get admission into the MBA and IB program. For AB, they have their own exam followed by GDPI. Now, I searched a lot, I couldn't find the cutoff. So I'm believing cutoff will be around 80 percentile. Looking at the batch profile, this is the main advantage and the problem for aspirants, that IB 49, 51, 55. So intake is only 150. So average le lo 50, 50, 50, only 150 students in IB, normal MBA and agriculture. Male 61% and female 39%. And I think that's the only college where the BTech is less. So in the MBA program, BTech is more, half of the batch, even less than half of the batch is engineers. Look at here, in agriculture, 46%, 46 students out of 55 is BSc. And international business, 18%, 18 students are BTech only. Rest BSc, BCom, and BBA others. 18, 7, 10, 14. So engineers are less. Engineers are less than 50%. Major companies coming on campus, all the big brand you can see, Infosys, DHL, IBM, Wipro, IDBI, lot of companies coming on campus. Now we move to the batch size and placement report. So this is the placement report. Number of students total 150, who appeared for placement 143, who got placed 126. So AB agriculture I'm removing for the time being. So 100 people set for the placement, 90 people got the job, 90% of the batch got the job. And trust me guys, this is true for every college, not the just BHU, every college. The only problem is no one shows the data out. It's a government college, though they are telling you the data out, otherwise no one tells कि कितना वो job लगा है. So it's a government college, they're telling you frankly the 90% will get the job. Now if you are in the 90% grade, if you are in the last 10%, 11 student who could not get a job from AB, from MBA, तो भाई तुम्हारी गलती भी है यार. You can't blame the college for everything. Yeah. So these 11 people, hard luck, bad luck, they gave you a chance to improve for two years. If you could not improve, couldn't get a placement on campus, sorry, you can't blame the college for everything. College की भी गलती है, पर तुम्हारी गलती भी है. Alright, 25 companies came on campus. Highest salary is 16.16 lakhs, and the average is not mentioned here, is touching 7.5 lakhs. So with the average salary of 7.5 lakh, and the best part is fees is 1 lakh. Average fees of all the courses is 1 lakh. So this college have the best ROI. So that's why I'm calling it a hidden gem. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to our channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join our program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.